This is how you will disassociate a JMS Elite 10 milliwatt remote control. What you're going to do with your jetter in the off position, you're going to push and hold the M-stop off and the remote on button until the lights go solid. This could take several seconds. Once the lights go solid, you will immediately release the buttons and push and hold remote on. Then you're going to apply power to your control panel. And with this, once the screen goes blue, you can release the button and push your M-stop off, and you should unpair your control panel.